Okay, what we're gonna do first, we're gonna create a folder in which this is where we're gonna save our 3D art files for this class. This is where we're gonna save our assignments, as well as any other pictures or anything that we put in here. So we're gonna go to our desktop and right-click with the mouse and go to New, up to Folder, and we type in your name and 3D art. Okay. This would be the best. It would be best if you had your own USB drive to save this on. This way you can take it home and work on it from home. But if anything, you can work on a desktop. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to download the 7-zip file. With 7-zip, we are able to compress files, large files to smaller files to be able to send over the internet. And we're able to extract smaller files into large files so you can see how they really are. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our 3D art folder, our 3D art class under electives, then click on the 3D art folder here on the side. Then we're going to go up to 7z465.exe. We're going to click that, and then see it downloads down here. Once it's done, we're going to click it, and yes. So we're going to save it in our folder. We're going to hit click browse, save it to our folder on our desktop, and we're going to look for our folder right here. No, actually not that one. Right here, 3D art. Click OK. And click install. Okay, click finish. We're done with that. Now we're going to click here, click 7-zip, and it's already installed. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Edmodo again, and we're going to save. We're going to download the resource file. So it's in the same folder. Click here, resources, and wait for it to download. It's a big download, so I'll come back when it's fully downloaded. Okay, now that it's fully downloaded, I downloaded it here under 3D art, so I'm going to open that up. Okay, now we have to pay attention here because it might get a little bit tricky. We're going to right click on resources, go down to extract all right here, open that, and extract it. Done with that. Just basically opens it up where we want it to be. Okay, next what we're going to do, we're going to click on Blender 2.47 Windows, install the art program onto our computer, click yes, and follow directions, next, I agree, next, 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 and wait for it to download. Okay, now next what we're going to do, we're going to click on finish. We're not going to run it just yet. Click on finish, and we're going to go down here to Python 2.5.2. We're going to open that and run. Install for all users. Click on next, next. We're going to wait for it to download. Okay, once it's done downloading, you can click finish, and your Blender is all set up. The file that we're using for the art class is called Blender. So if I say Blender, that's what I'm referring to. So the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your Brain Honey and go to 3D art and click on Project 1. This is gonna be your first assignment. This is due today. What I want you to do is read through the Project 1 guidelines. Go 1, 2, 3. Go to the next one and read the instructions on what to do. Okay, they're gonna tell you exactly what to do here and follow the instructions step by step. Alright, so they're telling you to open up Suzanne.blend, which is in your folder.